Alright, here we're going to start up car completed, intake on. Well, that sounds a lot better. Got the nice turbo whoosh and everything. Here's the sound from the inside. Not bad. Alright, there you have it. We'll have to do a driving impression sometime later. It's getting late, almost 9 o'clock, starting to get dark. And unfortunately, I have work tomorrow. So, we'll just have to wait till later to do a driving impression. Maybe I can film this on the way to work or something, or wait till the weekend. But try to get this stuff edited and posted up as soon as possible. I'm new to this, so editing may take a little longer than what it would take most people. I gotta figure all of it out, make sure I'm doing it right, and it doesn't look like crap. So yeah, so take a look at it. Let me know if you like it, post some comments. If you don't like it, let me know that too. I'll take constructive criticism. So yeah, let me know what you think. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you there. Have a good day.